just giving you guys a sneak peek into my recording of this, my documentation of my processes. This is about removing the glue underneath drums, specifically pro reference, some DW collectors, high-end stuff. Check it out, guys. If you're not nerdy about this behind the scenes stuff, just stop this video now. This is not for you. If you're nerdy about this stuff, if you like solving problems, we got the results that we wanted, but it took way too long. Getting all the gunk off of a drum shell. Now this is a Pearl Reference Pure, beautiful drum shell here that I'm working on. The finish got damaged on this kit, so they're having me rewrap it. So this is right after you take the wrap off of these drums. Now this way of gluing the wrap on is not the way that we do it. We do it more akin to like how Ludwig does it. This is really, really intense stuff here that it comes on the Pearl References, Reference Pures, and also DW Collectors kits. I've seen the same style here where there's no seam that overlaps. It's like butted right up because they use just like crazy super glue stuff. Comes off real nasty, but don't worry, we can get it really nice. Now, I've been experimenting with different things. Look how beautiful that is. Nice natural wood, no cutting, no sanding required. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Chucked in this eraser wheel. This guy is used to take pinstripes off of paint jobs on cars, different things like that. See, it's knocking everything off and leaving us with just that beautiful shell underneath. Or if the at-home DIY crew might be more interested in this, just chucking this rather than into a grinder or a drill press or other machine, just pop it into the drill. Comes right off. What do you think? Our goal is to get those results. So I like the eraser wheel idea, maybe larger eraser wheels if we can source them somewhere, if anyone can find any, some that we can mount on a buffer, something to hold the drum, something to hold spin the wheel a little bit differently. Let me know what you think. I really like the abrasion side of things because it was so clean. And then maybe, who knows, in the future, if we want to restain or do anything with the drums, it'll give us a perfect natural surface to work with, just like they had in the factory before they put all that gunk on it.